Worried about keeping up with your online banking? Are you tired of complicated logins or struggling to remember how to access your money on different devices? You're not alone. Navigating bank portals and mobile apps can sometimes be a hassle. But with Ally Bank, logging into your accounts is straightforward, whether you're at your desktop or on the go with your phone. Hi, and welcome. Today, we're going to give you a quick, simple, step-by-step tutorial on logging into your Ally Bank account, covering both the website on your computer and the mobile app. Getting secure and fast access to your finances is key, so let's jump right in and simplify your banking experience. We'll start with the desktop login, which is perfect for when you're at home or need a full-screen view. First, open your web browser and go to Ally's official website, ally.com. Look for the Login button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the secure login screen. Here, you'll simply enter the username and password you created when you set up your account. Make sure to double-check for typos. Ally is known for its security, so if it's a new or unrecognized device, you might be prompted for a one-time security code. This code will be sent to the phone number or email linked to your account. Just retrieve that code, enter it, and you're in. You'll land right on your dashboard, or snapshot, where you can see all your accounts. Now, let's talk about the Ally mobile app. This is your go-to for banking anytime, anywhere. If you don't already have it, first download the Ally mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, tap to open it. The app login is even faster. Tap the Login button. You'll again enter your username and password, just like the desktop version. However, a great feature of the app is biometric login. If your phone supports it and you've set it up, you can use Face ID or your fingerprint to log in instantly after the initial setup. It's quick, secure, and means you don't have to type your credentials every time. Just like the desktop version, your first login on a new phone might require a security verification code sent to you. Input the code, and you're logged in. From the app dashboard, you have full control to check balances, transfer funds, or deposit checks on the spot. And that's it. Whether you prefer the desktop site for deep dives or the app for speed, accessing your Ally Bank accounts is designed to be simple and secure. Remember those steps for quick access whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.